Hi, kids and families. Miss Al here with another mindful moment for you to enjoy. And today's mindful moment, we're going to be working on this card titled Cooking Up Connections. Appreciate where food comes from. I would even add appreciate food and where it comes from. If it weren't for the land and the seeds and the plants and the people that grow them and harvest them and prepare them and serve them to us, we would probably be some hungry fellows. So today, let's take a moment in line with our attitude of gratitude that we're carrying with us throughout the rest of the year in our gratitude jars. Let's take a mindful moment to really feel how special it is to have food and how much we appreciate the food and all of the people that bring us food into our lives. Let's take a look at this card again. It looks like this young man here is hanging out with some chickens, a cow, an apple tree, and there's a farmer. And the goal of this card is to help open your heart. So let's go ahead and take our 3 mindful breaths together and open our hearts to the appreciation of food and everything that brings it to us. So go ahead and get in your mindful position. Spine straight, chin up, not too far up, not too far down, nice and steady in the center. Roll your shoulders up, take a deep breath in, tuck them into your back pockets, let out that breath. Go ahead and close your eyes if you are comfortable with closing your eyes. And let's go ahead and breathe in. I'm going to count down from 3. In 3, 2, and 1. Breathe in. Release. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Release every little bit of air that you have in your lungs, because when you do that, you're expelling the carbon dioxide and allowing for there to be more room for oxygen to enter your lungs and therefore your bloodstream and your brain. So now that you've taken your 3 mindful breaths, let's go head on to the next aspect of this mindful moment. So go ahead and close your eyes. You may lay down on a mat or on the floor or even on a bed if you're comfortable. Take one more nice deep breath in and release. Now imagine that you are eating pancakes or waffles, or maybe French toast is your favorite. To make them, you need eggs from chickens, milk from cows, and flour from grains. You also need the milk for the butter, and you need maple syrup from the trees. You may also like to add things like cinnamon and vanilla, or maybe blueberry pancakes are your favorite. So imagine you have this delicious plate of breakfast in front of you, and you're really thinking about how all of that food was created, how it was brought to your home and prepared and placed in front of you. There was a lot of love and time and energy that was put into that plate of food before it ever got to your table. Let's take a nice deep breath and appreciate that food. Breathe in. Taste the maple syrup on your lips and breathe out. Wasn't that yummy? Now, as I said, you need people to help bring you this food. We need farmers to milk the cows, to plow the earth, to gather the eggs, to plant the seeds, to tend to the plants, to harvest the grain and the other fruits and vegetables of their labor. We then need drivers that can pick up these products, milk, egg, vegetables, flour, fruit, and take them to the supermarket. You need the people who work at the supermarket to sell the food, and you need your family to help you buy it. Then you also need somebody to cook. So there is a lot that goes into that delicious plate of breakfast that you are imagining now. So let's take one more breath in and think about all of that hard work and love that goes into the abundance of your food. Take a deep breath in, remembering all the times that you were fed and that your belly was full. Breathing out. Place one hand on your belly and one hand on your heart. And before you open your eyes, take a moment to thank all of those people, plants, and animals for your tasty food, delicious and nutritious. It's easy to see how we're all connected when we eat our nourishing food. So, kids, the next time that you are helping to tend to a garden, or at the grocery store, or in the kitchen with your adults making a snack or a meal, or even just the next time you feel a little rumble in your belly, you can remember all of the reasons we have to appreciate food when it comes our way. I hope you enjoyed this mindful moment. I hope it was relaxing and opening to your heart. Thanks so much, friends. I miss you. Be well. And eat your veggies.